I've just seen some hailstone about this big bouncing on the floor, and then it starts lightning and thundering. So I've set up my camera. It's been recording for the last half hour, and I've hopefully caught about 4 or 5 lightning strikes and some really big ones. So, still Wednesday for me. This will be on tomorrow, so I don't plan these videos. They just pop into my head or show up at the time I want them. But see if we can catch one on here. They've all been over that direction at the moment, so that's the direction the camera's pointing at. Let's just hope they've caught them. I hope it's caught a few anyway. It's steaming up already. There, that's better. I hope it's caught a few. Last time I tried it just worked like electrical glitch on the camera. That's all it looked like. So this time there was a few strikes going down. Might be stopping at the moment. So I'll show you that video after this once I've edited it. I can't even say it now. That anyway. Took all the boring bits out. See you in a bit. I hope you can see that. All the hailstone bouncing on the floor. Probably, yeah, you can see it bouncing off there. Probably better. Started again. Coming down like a crazy ass. Well, that's still filming, so I might point it down towards them. Yeah, you can see it more now. Bloody hell. I'm going to re-angle the camera. In fact, I'll go down to the door downstairs. I'll be able to see it better. You can actually see him through bouncing around just outside. I'm not going outside, I'm just going to stand at the door. You can see him bouncing on the floor, look. On top of the bin, Stephen did it. There. So bouncing on the floor, look. Oh, it's bloody cold. Probably get another video out of this today. I'll do some editing later and then put it up later if I do. Oh. At least I don't need anything from shopping. I've got a lot of the early one and I've done my drone flight early one. So ooh, I make myself a coffee. A little bit cold. See you in a minute.